with the volcano coming up. Did you see that? Look at the fire. Yeah.
Wow, really?
Get it, Jesse? Oh, I turned the camera off before. I was trying to get it, but his head keeps moving around. Sorry. Just 1 second. I didn't get it with the fire. That's okay, thank you.
Coming to move left, right.
Okay, that's fine. I was just trying to get the fire, but you just kept moving to the left. It's okay. Look how cute. I used to have a dress like that.